Affiliate painting. Kristie Chiles affiliate painting success. Affiliate painting, secrets to becoming wildly successful promoting your affiliate link without fear of knowing what to do, where to start, or how exactly to promote it. Email from Kristie Chiles this morning. If you want to scale your affiliate commissions, you'll love what just got popped into the members area of affiliate painting success. Yesterday I added 15 plus already built for you web pages. I share with you all of my Clickfunnels landing pages. It comes with a free 14-day trial to try out Clickfunnels, but the biggest thing is that the pages are done for you and are the very ones I'm using to grow a subscriber list inside of Pinterest. That generated just some of the income you'll see below. Here's a screenshot of one of my favorite affiliate programs and favorite people too: Michelle, Aimee, Melody, Di, Kate, Lynette, Coach Glue Girls, Suzi and other wonderful course creators, and a portion of the income this has brought in so far with a few of these affiliate programs, so you know this is working. And the course where you discover all of the affiliate programs I use is on the best sellers list in the top 10 on the Warriorplus marketplace today. So grateful. Each one of these landing pages is the basis of my Pinterest pins, and each one is linked to my autoresponder newsletter like this one, account to my affiliate links as you will see below. When someone puts their email in the box, they also get an email that takes them to the affiliate offer, which is the link to someone else's planner with PLR like Di's, all the newest planners that are done for you from Lynette, digital planner templates like Michelle's that helped me to make my first digital planner, or 60 done for you blog posts like Coach Glue, Melody's digital planners kits, coupon, Kristie's friends 25% off all products. But now you have the landing pages that would cost you hundreds of dollars to create yourself, but it is included in the affiliate painting course. If you decide to use these, it requires our monthly subscription to Clickfunnels, or you can simply use a simple form I talk about in the course attached to your autoresponder. Anyway, I know that is a lot, but multiple streams of income is the best way to roll. Affiliate painting success free webinar. Click the link below to get 90 days of coaching, $250 off coupon. Affiliate painting. Kristie Chiles affiliate painting success.